Chapter 26: Logistics and Inventory Management. Logistics and supply chain management are some of the most complex and costly parts of any business. Unpredictable demand, high delivery costs, and the risk of overstocking or, conversely, a shortage of goods can become a serious problem. Traditionally, managing these processes has been manual labor, which often leads to errors and losses. Today, AI is completely changing this situation, transforming logistics from manual labor into a precise, predictable, and automated process. Modern systems become your personal analyst and dispatcher who help optimize the entire supply chain. This chapter will show you how to use these capabilities to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and make your clients happier. With these tools, you can optimize every stage of the workflow. Demand forecasting. Algorithms can analyze past sales, seasonal fluctuations, and external factors, e.g., holidays or ad campaigns, to predict future demand with high accuracy. This helps you avoid overstocking your warehouses and running out of products. Route optimization. Neural networks can analyze data on road traffic, weather conditions, and delivery addresses to build the most economical routes. This directly reduces fuel costs and delivery time. Inventory management. Systems can automatically track stock levels in the warehouse and predict when to place a new order. This ensures you always have the right product in the right quantity. Demand forecasting with AI. Accurate forecasting is the foundation of successful inventory management. With intelligent systems, you can do this much accurately than manually. Prompt: you are a logistics analyst. I have data on sales of lion-themed t-shirts for the last 2 years. Analyze this data and make a demand forecast for the next 6 months considering seasonal peaks, e.g. in the summer, and discount promotions. Justify your forecast. This approach allows you to make decisions based on data, not intuition, which is key to reducing risks. Inventory management and route optimization. Accurate demand forecasting is only the first step. Smart technologies help manage the entire supply chain, from the warehouse to the end client. Smart inventory management. The problem for many businesses is either an excess of goods, which takes up space and ties up capital, or a shortage, which causes business owners to lose money. AI will help you maintain an optimal inventory level. How it works? Algorithms analyze sales data and delivery times to automatically calculate when and how much to order. Some systems can even automatically send orders to suppliers when inventory levels fall below a critical point. This helps avoid both shortages and overstocking. Delivery route optimization. Delivery costs are one of the main expenses in logistics. With intelligent systems, you can significantly reduce these costs. How it works? Specialized programs analyze all delivery addresses, the distance between them, current traffic congestion, and other factors. Then they build the most optimal route for each courier or driver. This reduces delivery time, fuel consumption, and consequently costs. Example: imagine you need to deliver 50 orders around a city. Manual planning would take hours and would likely be inefficient. A smart system will do it in minutes, taking into account traffic jams and the optimal order of addresses. Ways to earn. The skill of optimizing supply chains with intelligent systems is a sought-after and highly paid service. You can monetize your knowledge by offering it to companies that want to reduce costs and increase efficiency. There are 3 main ways. First way, logistics optimization consulting. Many small and medium-sized businesses face logistics problems but don't have the resources to hire expensive consultants. You can offer your services for analyzing current processes, studying their supply chain and identifying problem areas, implementing intelligent systems, helping them choose and set up programs for demand forecasting and route optimization. Second way, selling ready-made reports and forecasts. You can create and sell ready-made reports on popular market sectors. For example, a report with a demand forecast for electronics or trends in the delivery sector. Such reports will be useful for businesses that want to plan their strategy. Third way, inventory management services. You can offer a turnkey inventory management service where you will monitor the stock level in the client's warehouse and automatically send orders when necessary. This will allow the client to avoid losses and focus on sales. Conclusion: AI transforms logistics from a routine and complex task into a strategic tool for growth. By mastering these skills, you can not only reduce costs, but also build effective and predictable business processes. In the next chapter, we will talk about production automation. You will learn how to use intelligent systems to manage production lines and quality control.